This isn't about fixing kids, it's about growing with them. They say kids don't listen, but what if we just need to change how we speak, set limits, and show up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are 5 things that help me parent with more peace and purpose. There was this one time I was mid-rant. One of those why are your shoes still here kind of days. And my son just looked blank. And I realized if someone talked to me like that, I would tune out too. So now I take a breath, get eye level, and say what I need to say with respect. And guess what? He started listening more, not just to me, but to himself too. I used to think being a good mom meant always being in control. Now, I think it means showing up with respect even when it's hard. My daughter was once frustrated over a simple task. But it wasn't about the task, it was a long day. And she was done. Instead of saying, it's not a big deal, I said, that really got to you, huh? She nodded. We sat for a minute. Then she said the whole story. That's it. No fixing. Just feeling. Sometimes the best way to help is to just be there and say, yeah, I see you. My son once asked, why do you always say no to cookies before dinner? And I said, because your body needs real fuel before sugar. That's the rule. He still sighed. But a few days later, he stopped doing that and told the rule to his sister, like proudly. Boundaries aren't mean, they make kids feel safe. And over time, they become the voice inside their heads, not just mine. The other day, it was time for homework, and my kids were not doing it. So instead of going down the usual, you need to do this now, I tried something different. I said, hey, finish your homework first, then you can choose. Play chess on the tablet, or we will head to the park. And just like that, no argument, they pick the park. I'm learning. It's not about giving all the choices, just the right ones at the right time. My daughter did not top her class like she hoped. She was a little quiet, a little disappointed. But you know what? I still kept our movie plan. Because that promise wasn't about marks. It was about showing up, about effort. Parenting isn't about having perfect days. It's about choosing connection over control. Let's normalize being real moms. Doing our best, one deep breath at a time, because you're doing better than you think. If you have got stories like these, drop them below in the comment section. And if you like the video, Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.